Hi everyone, today I'm doing a really special look. We're going to be creating a traditional Bengali bridal look. So I'm starting by basic hydration and moisturization, and then I'm going to start color correcting. I've used an orange brown color corrector and I'm using a cream based foundation. It currently looks a little yellow because my model is yellow undertone, but once it's all blended in, it does tend to match really well with her skin. You'll see. And then I'm giving her a strong contour. As you can see, she has an oval shaped face, so I really had to work up the contour to bring out her cheekbones. And she also has like hollow under eyes, so we really have to work on these areas to brighten them up. I'm also now applying a cream blush, which is slightly on the darker and deeper tone. As I'm working on a dusky skin, I have to keep in mind all the colors I use. Now I've powdered the entire face. You can see that the foundation isn't looking as yellow. I'm also leaving an extra powder on the under eyes, which is going to help brighten and keep the under eyes locked. And then I'm going to go in and apply the eye base, which is going to help my eye makeup. And I'm keeping the corners uplifted and slightly darker because I want to uplift her eyes and give her that traditional look. So I'm using a dark brown and I'm building it up instead of going in straight away, and giving a cut crease, which is not going to be too sharp really. I just want to give a very bright sort of an effect in the inner corner. I'm using the same eye base to do so. And then I'm just dabbing it a little bit with loose powder. And then I'm starting by applying a gold eyeshadow. This gold eyeshadow is matching with my outfit. And the front I'm keeping more highlighted. So it is gold, but more like a white gold. And I'm giving a nice thick winged eyeliner, which is really going to lift up the eyes and add a beautiful effect. I'm bringing the liner downward as if I'm applying kajal, but I'm not going to go all the way in front. I'm only applying the kajal on the outer corner of the lower lash. And now I'm just finishing up the eyebrows. I'm really shaping them because I know this is a traditional look and I can actually really define them for this one. And just topping up the blusher, I topped up the contour, and you can see already her eyes were looking lifted. For the lips, I used a slightly red brown shade and then topped it up with a deeper color of red. And it's not too in the face, but it does look beautiful on her skin tone. And I'm just adding finishing spray, and I forgot about highlights, so I did that at the end. And you can see the finished look. It's very dramatic, very beautiful, super traditional, and I'm loving how her skin looks. I'm loving how the contour has really brought up her cheeks and how the eyes look with the eyeliner. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this look, and I hope you learned something from it. And don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more such videos and if you enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys again very, very soon with maybe another traditional look, maybe a more modern look. Who knows what's next?